Welcome back, people. Today I'm going to be trying to put this together. Here's what I got going on. These are all miscellaneous parts from other projects. I had to order a brand new, it's not even brand new, this is used all the way from China. It's kind of refurbished, let's say. I did see what they fixed here. They fixed this here, the switch. They unsoldered it, cleaned it out, resoldered it. You can see. Figured I'd whip out the camera and see if everything goes well. Check out the sloppiness and dirtiness of this shit. Look at the crust around those keys. First things first, I have to clean this case. Alright, it's all dried up. What I did do already was I pre-installed the screen. That way I don't have a hard time in front of the camera. So let's do this. Guess I can install all these buttons in here first. Okay. See how I'm going to do this. Now, I don't have a back cover, unless one of those do. I don't know. I don't think I do. I'm gonna have to order one to replace this. That's not a big problem. As long as it works. So there we have it. We have parts from all over the country, basically. And the internals, I ordered that from Hong Kong, I think it came in. So it's looking good, actually. Real good, nice and clean. Check that out. Real good. From what it was, Alright, now the test. Let's see if we did this for nothing. That's the only game I have. I don't have the proper ones that's sitting there. But testing purposes, this will do. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Power. I don't see display. Oh man. Why don't you guys tell me when I was putting this back together? I didn't hook up the damn ribbon cable. You know, you guys are sneaky. Alright, let me take this apart once again and see if that works. Second try. Man, everything's going wrong. It'd be nice if I had a battery cover on the door. I'm gonna have to hold that so it won't fall. Oh, I think I see it. There it is. Oh, that's awesome. Wait a minute. Let's see here. Volume's working. Alright, start. That's awesome. Of course, these you can't really see the display that well, huh? There it is. Here we have it. Awesome. If anyone is interested, it is up for grabs. Hit me up. I'm on Instagram full time at Full Throttle. So with that being said, I'm out of here. I will be ordering a back door. You guys and gals have a good one. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Let's get back into the game. Also, for the ones that noticed something, I did forget a screw, but I addressed the issue. Just letting you know. Don't want to go to jail with the YouTube police.